التدريب جيم اشتق من الصفات الآتية. So اشتق, so you have to derive من الصفات الآتية from the following صفات, from the following adjective. So here they give you سريع, رخيص, نحيف, and so on. So these are all the adjectives. So change the adjective to أسلوب التعجب. So find the أسلوب التعجب from each of these adjectives. All right. So in order to form the أسلوب التعجب, we need to identify the root word, the three letters, the three letter fi'il of the verb, and then change it to the أسلوب التعجب, and in the end put it in the جملة مفيدة. So to use it in the جملة مفيدة for أسلوب التعجب is very simple. You just say ما أفعل and then that object. ما أفعل البيت, for example. In this example, the adjective, the sari, the sifa is sari, fast. So you want to say, mashallah, what a fast object. So you say, ma asra'a. So from the word sari, sin, ra'ain, the root word, sin, ra'ain, you replace it with af'ala. So we say asra'a. And in the sentence, you simply put an object. So that, what is that object? Here they say, at-ta'ira, the aeroplane. Ma asra'a at-ta'irata. Okay, that's it. So هذا هو أسلوب التعجب. So I believe we can do this very quickly. So let us look at number one. رخيص. رخيص. Okay. رخيص. ما معنى رخيص?
Cheap.
Cheap. Yes. رخيص is cheap. Okay. So how do you say? What is the أسلوب تعجب for رخيص? Yes. ما الرخيص. No. If you say ما الرخيص, هذا خطأ. That is not correct. It's not ما الرخيص. It should follow the wazan. Af'ala.
Ma arkhasa.
Arkhasa, yes. Arkhasa. So you need to identify what is the root word. The root letters here, ra, kha, and sad. Yes. So that is the root word. Ma, and then you just follow the wazan. We say af'ala arkhasa. So that is your uslub ta'ajjub. Okay, we don't say ar-rakhis, no. Because if it is rakhis, it is still the adjective, not the uslub ta'ajjub. So we say ma arkhasa. Naam. Ma arkhasa. Okay, طيب. So the example, ma arkhasa. So just give us an object. Anyone?
ما أرخص السيارة.
ما أرخص السيارة. ما أرخص السيارة. نعم, yes. So you say, what a cheap car. So you are amazed. That car is very cheap. So we say, ما أرخص السيارة. نعم, صحيح. Okay. هذه هي الجملة الأولى. So that is the first جملة. نعم. الآن الجملة الثانية. الكلمة الثانية كلمة نحيف. Okay, what is نحيف? نعم. ما معنى نحيف?
Thin.
Thin. Thin is نحيف. نعم. Thin is نحيف. Yes. So the تعجب for نحيف. Yes. So what do we say now?
ما أنحف.
ما أنحف. نعم, صحيح. So ma anhafa. So the root word is non, ha, and fa. Yes. So we say ma anhafa. Good. Okay. The example. So what is the object? That is very thin. It can be an object. It can be a person.
Al-baytu.
Al-bayta. Okay. What is the meaning? If you say ma, sorry. If you say ma.
Wrong word.
Wrong word. So what is again?
Ar-rijal.
Ar-rijal. Ar-rijal. Okay. Ar-rijal, is it mufrad or jama'?
Mufrad.
Mufrad. Mufrad is rajul.
Oh, okay.
When we say rijal, rijal is jama', men. The man, the rijal. So huna ar-rajul. Because we are short that guy is so thin. So we say ma anhafa ar-rajul. But if you use ar-rijal, that is also correct. Ma anhafa ar-rijal. Naam. So both are correct. Ma anhafa ar-rajul. And don't forget the word, the object that you put after ma anhafa, ma arkhasa need to be in the mansub state. So we end it with a fathah. Ma anhafa rajulah. Okay, naam. Sahih. Good. Number 3, rakam salasa, tawil. Tawil, long or tall, tawil. Naam. Yes. What is the ta'ajjub now? Yes, what do we say with the word tawil? Anyone?
Atwala.
Atwala, ma atwala, ta waw lam. Yes, correct. So ta waw lam is the root word. So we say ma atwala. Naam. MashaAllah, ma atwala. Okay, so what is the object? Or you can be a person as well. For example, the tower, the building is very tall. So you see, MashaAllah, what a tall building.
ما أطول الجامعة
Ma atwala
الجامعة
al-jami'ah. So you want to say the university is very, very, very tall. Ma atwala al-jami'ah. Okay, mungkin? Ma atwala al-jami'ah. But normally jami'ah is ma awsa'a. Ma akbara. Ma atwala is very seldom. We have ma atwala al-jami'ah. But the sentence is correct. So you say ma atwala al-jami'ah, or maybe you can say ma atwala al-burj. Anyone knows what is this word? Burj.
Star.
Again, Idham.
The star.
Star. Oh, buruj. Okay, that is constellation. No, that is not the buruj that you have in the sky. No,
Okay, okay.
Burj here. What is the tallest building now on earth?
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. That word, Burj, Burj. That is the Arabic word, Burj. So what is that? Tower. Burj
Okay, okay.
Khalifa is the tower of Khalifa. Burj. Yes, that is the meaning of the word Burj. So for example, here in KL we have Burju Al-Burju, the KLCC tower, Burju Tau Amain. So you call it Burj. Okay, so this is a new word for you today. Burjun.
Like Petronas.
Naam, sahih, like Burj Petronas. Sahih, naam. Okay, so you say Burju At-Tau Amain, the twin tower. Tau'am. Tau'am is twin. So twins Tau'amaini. Tau'am. So we say Tau'am is twin. So Burju At-Tau'amaini fi Petronas or fi Kuala Lumpur. Nah, okay, so that is the word Al-Burj. Nah. Okay. Next word, number 4, Laziz. Laziz. So this is a tricky word because you have two similar letters here, Zal and Zal. So here you need to make some modification to the word later. Okay, who wants to try this? Laziz is delicious, Laziz. Okay, first, ma.
اللذة
Ma, again.
اللذة
Al-Laza.
ألف
Alza. Alza is the name of that car, Alza. Okay, if you follow the wazan, what will happen? What is the word? If you just follow the wazan, it will be, the root word is lam, zal and zal. So it will be
Zaza
al-zaza. This is if we follow the wazan. Al-zaza.
Al-zaza.
Yes, this is according to the wazan, it is al-zaza. But now what we have here is two similar letters, zal and zal. Okay, back to back. So if we have zal and zal together, so what they will do is they will combine. They will make it just one zal. Okay, so instead of two zal, they will write just one zal. So it becomes alif, lam, and zal. Okay, alif, lam, and zal. That is number 1. Number 2, Number 2, since you combine this, what will happen? The zal, the first zal will have a sukun, will become with a sukun, and the second zal will have a fathah. So, So here, what will happen? It become a shadda and a fathah. And the lam, in order for you to read the lam or the word, then you have to change the lam to a fathah. So it becomes alazza. Alazza. So this is so here we have additional changes to the word. When does it happen? If you have this kind of word, 2 similar letters, zal and zal. So alazza, alzaza, we don't say alzaza, we combine these two. Okay, so it becomes only one zal, and then we read alazza. Okay, there are only a few words. Yes, you want to ask a question?
No.
Okay, I thought you.
Ustaz.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, because
It's first time I saw this one. I don't know what it is.
Oh, this one, raise hand. Okay, this is new
press.
feature, right? Yes, it's okay. So
Yeah.
oh yeah, you can
Yeah.
lower hand as well. Lower hand and raise hand. Okay, right. So ma alaza. Okay, we don't say ma alzaza. We say ma alaza. We choose this one. Okay, but if in the exam you write alza, you give me alzaza, I will consider it correct because you follow the wazan. All right. But the correct, the most suitable one is of course alaza. Okay, now the sentence alaza. So we say ma alaza. Okay, what does so laziz? Ma at-ta'ama. Na'am, sahih. Ma alaza at-ta'am. Masya Allah. So you want to praise the food. So you say Masya Allah. Ma alaza at-ta'am. Na'am. Ma alaza at-ta'am. Okay, so this is the uslub al-ta'ajjub. Or you can also say Masya Allah at-ta'am laziz jiddan. This is using the normal verb, the normal adjective, laziz jiddan. So the meaning is more or less similar. Okay, but the difference is that here we use uslub al-ta'ajjub. That's all. Okay, so you can use either way. Now, rakam khamsa, the fifth word, fasih. Fasih. Fasih is fluent. Fasih. Fasihun. Yes. What is the ta'ajjub?
Ma afsaha.
Ma afsaha. Sahih. Yes. Ma afsaha. Okay. So you want to say, mashallah, this guy is very fussy. This boy is very fussy, very fluent. So how do you say?
Ma afsaha.
Ma afsaha.
Lughatul Arabiyah.
Lugha Arabiyah. Ma afsaha lughat al-Arabiyah. Okay, you look at the meaning. What you want? So you want to praise the lugha Arabiyah instead of the person. In terms of the sentence is correct, but in terms of the meaning, it is a bit weird. Ma afsaha lugha Arabiyah. No, we don't say afsaha with lugha. We use it with the person who is speaking the lugha, speaking the language. Ma afsaha. Yes.
Ustaz, can I make ma afsaha al-mufakkira?
Ma afsaha al-mufakkira.
Al-mufakkira.
Oh, the thinker. Mufakkira. Mufakkir. Mufakkir, yes, thinker. Ma afsaha, yes, mungkin. You can say ma afsaha al-mufakkir. So the thinker is very fluent, mashallah. Ma afsaha al-mufakkir. Yes, that is correct. Or you can just say ma afsaha al-walad. Ma afsaha al-walad. So that boy is very fluent. So maybe we can relate to Lugha Arabiyah, like Rafika said just now. So we can add, for example, ma afsaha al-mufakkir or ma afsaha al-walad fi at-tahadduth, speaking, tahadduth, or in conversing bil lughati al-Arabiyyah, or we can just say bil Arabiyyah. So now you can include the word al-lugha al-Arabiyyah. Okay, but afsah here is normally used for the person. Now, okay, هذا هو التدريب الأول. Okay, and والآن التدريب الثاني. So now they give you the some sentences. you need to find the adjective. Of course, the adjective is very obvious. You can simply find the adjective and then change it to أسلوب التعجب. تعجب دال تعجب من العبارات الآتية. Okay, so you show your تعجب, show your amusement for the following sentences. مثلا الطالب ذكي. The talib is so smart, is clever. So you want to say mashallah, he is a very clever guy. Then you say ma, and then you replace you change this to azka. Azka. From the word zaki we change to azka. But for this word, if you still remember, in when we will learn about there's a lesson before uslub ta'ajjub. So but that is also using the wazan of af'ala. If you have this letter ya in the end, when you change to af'al, you look at the last letter, it will change from ya to alif, alif maksura. So we don't say azkaya or azkayu. Just like the lesson on tafdil, isim tafdil. We don't say azkaya or azkayu. You just replace it to the alif, azka. Okay, so this is if you have ya in the end of the word. Zaki becomes azka. So the sentence ma azka at-talib. Okay, so this is ta'ajjub. Okay, let us try number 1. Al-mu'min sadiq. So the mu'min is apa ni? What is this sadiq? The believer is sadiq.
Great.
Again.
Great.
Great. Sadiq. Sadiq is not great. Great is azim.
Oh, honest.
Honest. Honest sadiq. Honest mungkin. Honest sadiq mungkin.
Honest.
Is truthful sadiq. Yes mungkin. So you say al-mu'min sadiqun. Naam. Okay. So now ta'ajjab. So what do you say about this mu'min? You want to say mashallah.
Ma
Yes.
as
Ma as. Good. Okay. What is the root word? Sad dal qaf. Yes. How do you know this is the root word? Because there is a verb sad dal qaf sadaqa. Sadaqallahul azim. So once you know the root word, you know there is a verb. Sadaqa is the verb. Then you know that is the root word. Sadaqa. So you just put the root word. Sad, dal, and qaf. And how do you read the word?
asdaqa.
Asdaqa. That's it. Okay. So next step when you see this pattern, ma, and then you have alif, you know immediately you should read this asdaqa. So you don't need to have this fatha, kasra, dhamma anymore. Okay, so by learning all this sarf, the wazan, later you will be able to read the text even though you don't have all this. Okay, the case or sorry, all these harakat, the vowels. And when we learn the nahu, you will be able to read the ending of each word, whether it is asdaqa, asdaqu, or asdaqi. So that is why learning both kind of knowledge nahu, the syntax, and also sarf, all this wazan is very important. Okay, yes. Ma asdaqa, and the person, of course, al-mu'min. So we say ma asdaqal mu'minah. MashaAllah. Okay, so this is the first ta'ajjub. Okay, at-ta'ajjubu thani, the second one. As-su'alu sahal. The question is easy. You are shocked. MashaAllah, the question is so easy. So what do you say?
ما أسهل.
Ma ashala. Naam, sahih. Good. Ma ashala.
Ma ashala.
Ma ashalal as-su'ala. Nah, ma ashal su'al. We don't just say ma ashal. People don't understand. Ma ashal, ma ashala what? Ma ashala su'al. Nah, okay, good. Yes. Number 3, rakam salasa. Latifa. Latifa is not her name. Latifa it means
Nice.
she's very nice. She's gentle. So nice, gentle. That is latif. So many meaning for the word latif. Okay. So ta'ajjub. So now, what is the root word for lam thought? Latif.
أنشط
Anshata number 4. And now we are still number 3. Huh?
ال
الارتفاع
Altofa. Sahih. Yes. Yes, correct. Altofa. Good. Altofa. What about this ta? No need to add the ta.
Yeah.
Ta is for muannas. So for this uslub ta'ajub, we don't use the ta. Okay, we just use ma af'ala for all object muzakkar and muannas. We use the same pattern. Ma altofa. Okay, no need to add any ta. Ma altofal ummah. Nah, ma altofal Nah. Rakam arba'ah. Okay. At-talib nashid. The talib is nashid. Nashid is active. So talib nashid. So Ilham, you said, what did you say just now? Ma
أنشط
anshata. Naam, sahih. Ma anshata. Ma anshata, sahih. Ma anshatal at-talib. Naam. Ma anshata talib. Naam, sahih. MashaAllah. He's very nashid. He's very active. Wa akhiran Al-Zakiratu Qawiyya. Al-Zakira, the memory. Zakira is memory. Zakira. Zakara is to remember. Zakira is memory. Zakira Qawiyya. So the memory that you use in your phone, RAM, the computer, so we use the word Zakira as well. Zakira. Okay, what is the ta'ajub for Zakira? Sorry, not for Zakira. For Qawiyya, strong. The memory is strong.
ما أقويا
Akwaya. Okay, let us look at this word. Ma akwaya. Okay, if you follow the wazan, yes, you will get this word. Akwa. Yeah, but do you remember what do you need to do if the word ends with this ya? Of course, you can ignore this ta because this is for muannas. Since Zakira is muannas, that is why you have qawiyah. But the word itself is just qawi. It ends with ya. This is similar to the example here, Zaki. So what happens to this ya?
replace it with alif.
Yes, so you replace this with alif. So we don't say akwaya anymore. You just say
أقوى
aqua. That's all. Okay, good. So if you have verbs, adjective like this that ends with ya, qawi, aqua, zaki, azka, okay, and so on. All right. Okay. Ma aqua. So we say, mashallah, his memory is very strong. Ma aqua azakira. Nah, ma aqua azakira. Nah. Okay, so this is the uslubu at-ta'ajjub. Any question? So the first wazan is enough. Okay, no need to use the second wazan. Af and b, no need. Okay, because people will just use the first one. Okay, so if there is no question, so that's it for the topic of uslubu at-ta'ajjub.